This leaked Galaxy S26 Ultra feature is going to be absolutely superb. Recently, Ice Universe posted an image on Twitter where he mentioned that the Galaxy S26 Ultra's privacy display will not just hide the entire screen when viewed from a side angle. Instead, it will intelligently hide or black out only sensitive information. For example, when a user receives a message, only that specific message or notification will be hidden when viewed from certain side angles. This is genuinely amazing and innovative because it truly enhances user privacy and security. We still have not seen this privacy display fully in action, but I really hope Samsung finds even more useful ways to implement it. On top of that, it is now confirmed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 10-bit M14 display. I genuinely feel that the Galaxy S26 display is going to be the best out there. With an enhanced anti-reflective coating and improved brightness, it will surely surpass all other smartphones currently available in the market. February 25th is the day when Samsung is expected to officially announce the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung has also recently posted the first ever teasers for the Galaxy S26. In the video, a user tries to view the lock screen, but thanks to the privacy display, the view remains hidden. In another scene, a user is entering a passcode in a subway, and due to the privacy display feature, the code is not visible to people sitting nearby. For people who use public transport frequently, this Galaxy S26 feature is going to be incredibly useful. There will also be no need to install a privacy screen protector at all. This built-in feature will not reduce display quality, yet it will still provide top-notch privacy and security. This will also be Samsung's strongest and most scratch-resistant glass ever. I have been using the Galaxy S25 Ultra without a screen protector, and the display has been excellent so far, without a single scratch. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments, and with that said, I will catch you in the next one.